if you're going to do a straddle during business hours, here's what I would do. So if this is a straddle, for everybody else, it's like, what are you guys talking about? It's one call, one put, right? So if it goes this way, you make money. If it goes this way, it makes money. But guess what? One of them has to cancel the other, right? So if you do a straddle during it like this, what you do is you put a stop here and you put a stop here. Okay. That way, if it breaks to the upside, which you know will end up canceling this one out, then you can still keep getting paid as it goes higher, right?
Okay.
Just like right here. So you put your stop here, you put your stop here. Just like if it goes boom, pulls to the downside. Well, it has to be enough to pay for this one because you lost it and then keep going to the downside. Does that make sense?
Yep, totally.
So just have a stop on each. One of them will take off, which will cancel out the other one, but the stop will minimize what's happening. Because if not, everybody, if you bought your call here and you bought your put here, and let's say it pulls, well, all that happened is you just paid for your call, right? Because you lose the whole call.
Right.
So you have to have some kind of stop in there, some kind of mechanism that says, well, if I start to lose like 20% of this, go ahead and kill it. Because that means it's going, this way. And then you go, well, if it goes to the upside, well, you better have 25 or 10%, whatever it is, and go, okay, if it goes this way, that way it'll wipe this out.